DoNotPay subscription cancellation legal app. The pros, the cons. Ever signed up for a subscription and then forgot to cancel it? The DoNotPay subscription cancellation legal app is here to rescue your wallet. You won't believe how easy it is to stop unwanted payments in just a few taps. The app automates the cancellation of recurring subscriptions across streaming services, gyms, magazines, and more. It works by sending formal cancellation requests on your behalf, saving you time and hassle. For busy users who struggle to keep track of multiple subscriptions, this feature can prevent hundreds of dollars in wasted charges each year. Another benefit is convenience. The app provides a dashboard showing all your active subscriptions, upcoming charges, and cancellation status. This visibility allows you to make smarter financial decisions and avoid paying for services you no longer use. However, there are cons. The app relies on cooperation from service providers, so some cancellations may take longer or require follow-up. Advanced features and certain subscription limits may be restricted to paid plans. Additionally, it's designed for standard consumer subscriptions, not complex business accounts. In conclusion, the DoNotPay subscription cancellation legal app is a powerful and practical tool for anyone tired of losing money on forgotten subscriptions. Its automation, transparency, and simplicity make managing recurring payments effortless. While it isn't a substitute for financial planning, it provides immediate relief and control over your monthly expenses.